Hello, my name is Jacob Foy. I am an RBT at a pediatric autism clinic. I've been an RBT for about 3 years now, and I plan on getting my master's at Ball State University in applied behavioral analysis, so become a BCBA in the school system. In today's video, we're going to be discussing what a functional assessment is and the conditions that go along with it. So to begin, we're going to discuss what a functional assessment is. And the book by Cooper et al., Applied Behavioral Analysis, 3rd edition. An FA entails experimentally arranging antecedents and consequences, representing those in the person's natural environment so that their separate effects on a problem behavior can be observed and measured. We'll now be talking about the different conditions in a functional assessment. The first one is the play or control condition. In this condition, a client has free access to available reinforcers to whatever he or she wants. Low rates of behavior are typically expected in this condition since this is a control environment. The data collected from this part of the assessment is going to be compared to the following conditions. The next condition is attention condition. In this part of the functional assessment, attention is withdrawn from the client to see if the behavior is evoked. An example of this would be the therapist being close to the client, but withdrawing their attention to see if the client exhibits the problem behavior, to see if the behavior is attention maintained. The next condition is alone condition. In this part of the behavior assessment, a client is safely left alone in an environment to see if the behavior is automatically reinforced. Typically, this is done in a safer environment where the behavioral analyst can observe the client, potentially gauging in behaviors, and take data on if the behavior occurs to see if it's automatically reinforced. In the next condition, escape condition, non-preferred activities are presented to see if the behavior is escape maintained. And whenever the behavior is exhibited, the client takes a break from the non-preferred activity. An example of this could be difficult schoolwork being presented to the client, and if the client engages in said problem behavior to escape or not do the work that's presented to them, they are given a break. Last but not least is tangible condition. In this condition, access to preferred items are withheld from the client until the behavior is provoked. An example of this could be a preferred toy is within view of the client, but they are not able to gain access to the toy. If the behavior occurs, then the client gains access to the toy. Data is collected. The following was a brief description of what a functional assessment is and the 5 conditions of a functional assessment. I look forward to hearing from my classmates and professor in the discussion board.